Lurbinectedin is an interesting drug. It's derived from a marine sea creature, and it has effects on how DNA divides. And in the initial trials in ovarian cancer, it appeared that this drug might be more active in patients who carry a BRCA1 and 2 mutation, similar to PARP inhibitors, but it works completely different than PARP inhibitors. So recently now this was tested in patients with breast cancer who had BRCA1 and 2 mutations and was found to be active and lead to regression of tumors, temporary regressions, not permanent regressions, but that's still an important step. The trial was then amended to actually include patients with BRCA1 and 2 mutations who had already received a PARP inhibitor and were no longer responding. And so the results of that trial are now being added to the initial trial, and this drug now is being reported to have activity in this group of patients. Now, what's going to be next, though, are randomized trials comparing them to other treatments, probably most likely PARP inhibitors, and ultimately to see if we can combine them with other drugs to make them work better. But this is an example of a drug that is being targeted in a very specific population of patients, and it's illustrative of the trend towards personalized medicine, where when someone now is diagnosed with cancer, either early or advanced stage, that we look at the cancer at a molecular level, at a protein level, and actually choose the right drug that is tailored to work best against that cancer. And we are now just starting that process, but lurbinectedin is an example of a drug that can work specifically in patients that have abnormalities in DNA repair.